Hi everyone, welcome back to another interesting video, and today we are going to see how to make grilled butterfly chicken drumsticks coated with a flavorful lemon butter garlic sauce that makes this butterfly chicken drumsticks so very juicy and tender from inside and amazing to taste. So let's get started with this delicious and interesting chicken drumsticks recipe. So here are 3 chicken drumsticks, and now I'm going to show how to butterfly them. For that you'll need a sharp knife. So first we need to gently make one parallel cut down the leg in the center touching the bone. This first cut will help open up the chicken leg meat for the next step. And now we need to make 2 more cuts, one on each side of the chicken leg bone. We'll use one hand to pull back the leg meat while the other hand makes the cuts. So slicing the meat this way will make it butterfly outwards on each side of the bone. But be careful not to cut all the way through the meat, otherwise the meat will fall off the bone. And at the end of the cuts, we will see the chicken bone with the meat flaps on each side. And in the same way, I'll butterfly the remaining chicken drumsticks. So I have finished butterflying the chicken drumsticks, and now I'm going to marinate them by adding some seasonings which will help to make our butterfly chicken drumsticks flavorful and delicious. So here goes some salt as per taste. Then this is Piri masala, which has got lovely flavors. So you don't need to separately add garlic powder, onion powder or chili powder. And I will sprinkle and add lots of Piri masala, say around 1 tablespoon. And friends, butterflying the chicken legs not only gives a fancy or different look to the drumsticks, but also gives the grill a chance to evenly cook the outside of the drumsticks, while also allowing more surface for the seasonings to penetrate deep inside, and as a result helps them cook faster. Next, I'm adding here some smoked paprika powder, which will give a smoky flavor to our chicken drumsticks. Then goes around 1 teaspoon of olive oil. And finally the juice of half a lime. And now we will rub all the seasonings well over the chicken drumsticks or legs and massage the butterfly drumsticks with the seasonings for 2 to 3 minutes so that the seasonings coats well with the drumsticks. And we will let them rest for at least 1 to 2 hours for best results. In the meantime, we'll prepare a flavorful lemon butter garlic sauce. For that, we'll take a bowl, and into it we will add around 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then goes a small cube of butter. You may increase the quantity of butter if you want. Then we will add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. I have used here 5 to 6 large garlic pods. Next goes some finely chopped coriander or cilantro leaves and the juice of half a lime. For seasoning, we'll add a teaspoon of chili flakes and a teaspoon of piri masala for extra spicy flavor. We'll now mix all the ingredients well until they are well combined. And our flavorful and little spicy lemon butter garlic sauce is ready. And now we shall start with the cooking process. For that, we'll brush little oil in a grill pan. And when the pan is hot enough, we will place the marinated butterfly chicken drumsticks one by one. And on medium flame, we will grill them until they are cooked well and have beautiful grill marks on both the sides. After about 4 to 5 minutes, we will flip the chicken drumsticks one by one. And we'll grill the other side for another 3 to 4 minutes or until they are done. After 3 to 4 minutes, we will check the drumsticks once. You can see they are grilled well from both the sides and are also soft and tender. We will let them grill for another 1 minute and then they will be done. And by now, our butterfly chicken drumsticks are cooked and grilled well from both the sides. So I will take them off. So our grilled butterfly chicken drumsticks are ready, and now time to brush the flavorful lemon butter garlic sauce over the drumsticks which will further enhance the flavor, making them more juicy and amazing to taste. We'll flip the drumsticks and apply the lemon butter garlic sauce on the other side as well. It's almost done, and our grilled butterfly chicken drumsticks are now ready to be served hot. And here they go, juicy, spicy and flavorful grilled butterfly chicken drumsticks on the serving plate. You can add some lettuce, onion rings and lemon slices to complete the plate. So friends, I hope you will try this amazing chicken drumsticks recipe. Also share your feedbacks and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing and interesting recipes. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.